Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. Welcome back to my channel, Tiana Cherie. If you have not already, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell and stay tuned because I have more content on the way. All right, y'all, so I woke up this morning and we are doing our vending routes. We have the car all packed up here. Did that late last night and now we're on the move this morning. So we are on our way to stock up, and then we have to check out the machines, make sure that everything is going good with them. We made it to our location and now we are unpacking the vehicle with all the totes. All the drinks left in this pack. Three totes of drinks and then 2 totes of snacks. Alright, so we are inside of the location here. So we came across an issue with one of the drink machines that it is not working. This is currently all the stuff that's in the machines, and this light went out on this machine, so it's not as bright as it usually is. And now the arm on the machine is not working, so we're looking to problem solve this issue. These machines over here. So this machine is not picking up anything. You're just going to the door and dropping off nothing.
Hours later.
Machines are all stocked up. It took us about 2 hours or so to get them all stocked. So we had to put an auto order sign so our mechanic can come fix that one. All the other ones are full. We have to come back up here anyway because we need to meet with our mechanic and also fill up the machines with change. We were not able to make it to the bank this morning, so that's another thing that we have to take care of. But yeah, so we're about to go put everything back in the car. I am actually on my way to meet my 2 sisters, and we're gonna have brunch. All right, vlog, let's get up in this place. Let me get seated. All right, so there is a wait. So we're gonna be waiting a few more minutes, but at least we can take a look at the menu. Y'all find something that y'all wanted? I thought. Oh, she's ready. Ready. Where you want? You want to sit? Oh. Nope. This says. This sweater is cute. They sit us like right in the front.
These actually look good.
Gingerbread spice donuts.
It's my first time out.
It says your first time on it.
Yeah, first time out.
You've been trapped in the house. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a look at this menu, see what they got to offer. So got my drink. I sipped a little bit of it. I end up getting this morning meditation. It's orange, lemon, turmeric, organic ginger, and beet. I can definitely taste the beet. Yeah, it's pretty good. And as far as food, I'm gonna try the smoked salmon, roasted vegetable frittata. Sounds good out of everything that I've seen. I haven't really looked at the whole entire menu, but everything looks pretty good here so far. I didn't want no breakfast food, but yep, this is first watch. Finally, our food have came. I got the salmon frittata with some buttered grits. This is my sister's food. What did you get?
I got oatmeal, and it comes with a muffin, and then I got the waffle. Belgian sausage and Belgian waffle.
Everything looks so good. We just now finished our food. Everything has been devoured. We're heading out. I'm about to pay for my food. This food was actually pretty good and it wasn't expensive either. So the drink was good. The salmon omelet was pretty good. Everything was good. Is that yours? But yeah, this is the place. It's pretty good. To the bathroom.
Was everything?
Everything was good.
Be 2286 for you. Would you like a copy of your receipt?
No, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Alright, so just waiting on my sister to get out the bathroom. You don't feel sick or anything? Would you guys come back to this place? I thought they had vegan options. That's why.
It's kind of like a different version.
You said what?
It's like a different version of Anna's house, but with no vegan options. That's fine.
And they were not too expensive. Well, I've never been to Anna's house. I thought you were talking about that other place that we went to.
You never been to Anna's house?
No. But yeah, thank you for meeting with me. We need to do this again sometimes.
Fine. All right. Well, drive safe.
All right, you guys drive safe as well. It is freezing though. The sun went away. Bye. All right, y'all. So I am on my way back home so I can get my list. I had to go back to the store to get some inventory that we were not able to get, and our mechanic should be meeting with us soon. So while he's there looking at the machine, then we can be packing up the stuff that we needed. Like earlier, like my man was getting on my nerves. Like I was telling y'all, like business and personal sometimes just be a lot going on. Like he really be like working up my nerves. Like he'll say one thing, but then he mean another. Why is my... I swear I locked this. Like what is going on? Why is this not locking? There we go. But yeah, like he'll say one thing like, oh, well, just use up all the inventory that we had before we restock, because we don't want any of the expiration dates to go bad. So I'm like, because we'll do that. Like if we have so much in inventory, then if we have too much in inventory, then he'll be like, well, just use up everything in inventory and then we'll buy new stuff once everything is sold out. So he told me that, and then he was like, oh, well, why didn't you go buy more stuff? And I'm like, because you told me to use exactly what's in the inventory. And I didn't put in any orders because you said that we had too much in inventory, so we need to use up all that stuff before it reached the expiration date. But then when we go out trying to go pack up the stuff, he like, oh, well, where's your list? And you never brought what you needed to go to the store. And I'm like, of course I didn't, because you told me that we just gonna use what we had in inventory, and then we're gonna, put in all of our orders to, restock our inventory again. Usually I'm like, once we start getting low, then I'll start ordering more stuff to put in the inventory. But since we did a big, huge, inventory list the last time, we had so much stuff in inventory, so it didn't make sense to buy new stuff. So I understood what he was saying, but then some of the stuff was low. But he thought that since him saying to use what was in inventory, that I was supposed to know not to buy other stuff. Like we were like low on candy, but I literally used the last bit of that because I didn't really do a big, huge restock on candy the last time. So I told him like, yeah, we're low on candy. And he was like, well, just use what we got. It'd be so annoying sometimes working with your partner, because he really just be irking my nerves. And then he'd be like, well, disregard what I said. How I'm going to disregard what you said when you told me not to do it? And then when I don't do it, then you'd be like, why didn't you do what I told you not to do? And I'm like, what? Yeah. If you know, you know. So I just made it back home. My fiance ended up having to leave out because the technician had called and said he's on his way. So we were not able to go to the store. So we're just going to take care of all that tomorrow and go to the bank and get changed so we can refill all of the coin mechs in the machine. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I have more content on the way. All right, y'all. Bye.